Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity guys. In this video I'm talking about the currently live price changes occur in the AXS Infinity. What's the price changes occur? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos. The current live price of the AXS Infinity in the market is 75.74 cent. 75.74 cent is the right now price of the AXS Infinity AXS coin. And the other side, if we talk about the changes occurring in AXS Infinity, so the last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week changes over in the AXS Infinity in the market is completely going wrong. Positive. Only the latest situation. So guys, from this price update, I think that's clear that this pulse is temporary. And after a few hours, the price will again pump. Just look here, absolutely unbelievable changes occur in the AXS Infinity on the 10th August. On the 10th August, the price taken a quick jump, and now you can see that is the picture. So, guys, possibly that at this time the price falls down for some time, but after 1 day falls, after 2 day falls, the price will again pump. I believe the price will again pump. I believe. Anyways, what is your prediction? What you think about AXS Infinity? Also share your opinion, your prediction in the comment box. Other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the last 30 days, 67% positive. 81 is the highest price of the AXS Infinity in the last 1 month. So guys, absolutely in the next month, possibilities that they are going to hit $100. What you think? Can they easily hit a $1 $100 in the next month or not? Tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Hope you like.